Variety Successor offers 1-year ZC90 program, groups of students live in family-style setups, contributing to household charges as they undergo their screen training. The center also works extensively with serious families to set up processes that will continue after the student graduate. That is what Alvin Edgecap and his father Victor plan to do. He concerned many livestock farming, and in the beginning he sought interest in livestock farming, whereby he can now feed animals, said Victor, interpreting for his son. We have a child actually to get some animals for him, so that when he is at home, he must be able to take care of them. It is difficult for many physically challenged people to get educational and career opportunities in Kenya, especially those with modern conditions. Educational felicities and empathize are few, and there is still a stigma associated with being physically challenged. My name is Lam. I'm from class 3.1.